Now I want to show you a service called Linqia, which is essentially an influencer marketing platform as well, where you can connect to influencers and hire them. But unlike others,
this video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
These guys, you pay them CPC, like cost per click. So there's no risk. Like, let's say you hire an influencer and they get you no traffic, no sales. Well, these guys prevent you from that. So they take out the risk. And they have a different pricing model and different structure with how you work with them. So it's harder to get burned by the fake influencers. So these guys, they're for that. And they also have an industry report that they put out, and I want to walk you through that. This is the report. I'm going to have this in the downloadable resources, so you don't need me to walk you through it, but we'll go over the highlights, and then you can look at it on your own in detail. You can see it basically that it's very popular now. It's increasingly popular. Half or over half of marketers use influencer marketing in some form. The budgets are increasing for this for all kinds of companies, even pretty small ones. And people are running multiple per year. This slide talks about what kind of servers they use to find them. Different goals like engagement, impressions, clicks, conversions. So all these things people get from influencer marketing. The platforms, you can take a look at it in detail on your own. I don't want to bore you with the details, but essentially this is an industry report for 2019. I don't know when you're going to watch this, but it's just increasing. This is just something that's increasing and quite rapidly.